Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update APK applications on your Android phone. So what you want to do is just simple swipe up on your phone and simple type in files. Open up the files folder and choose the APK installation files on the right hand side at the top, as you can see. This is going to show you all the applications that you have on your phone that was either installed by APK or something that you recently downloaded. Now these ones are currently installed already, and so to update those applications you simply want to go ahead and click on any application that you have there. Then you will get a pop-up here that says cancel or update. If it shows the update button, it simply means that it's already allowed on your phone to install the APK, and so you just need to tap on update. If it is not there, you'll be able to simply tap on it and you'll have the option that says settings. You click on the settings and you will be able to allow the permissions right there, and then it will allow you to update the application. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.